like playing football?
No, I don't. I'm not very good at football, but I really like tennis.
What's your favorite subject?
I like geography and I'm good at maths, but I think my favorite subject is history.
Do you like singing?
My favorite subject is music. I love playing the piano, but I don't like singing. I'm not good at it.
Is that your brother?
Yes, it is.
Does he like learning about science?
Yes, he loves science and he's good at it.
Are you good at English?
Yes, I love English. I like writing stories and reading books.